Humanism was started in the late 1920s. It was begun explicitly and specifically as a religion. Julian Huxley was a eugenicist and humanist. He wrote in The Coming New Religion of Humanism in 1962, a humanist-based religion must redefine divinity. We will see the birth of a new religion based on what I have called evolutionary humanism. The beliefs of this religion of evolutionary humanism are not based on revelation. A humanist religion will have the task of redefining the categories of good and evil. The humanist religion will have the equivalent of the state of salvation in Christian terminology. Humanism is the fourth faith and the next great world religion. He was an English evolutionary biologist, he was a eugenicist, and of course a globalist. Atheists, as evidence rejectors, will quickly tell you that's completely wrong, because no academic or authoritative source exists about atheism. Only the opinion of atheist commenters on YouTube who are anonymous are correct.